there, I'm Alex, this is my YouTube channel. I do reaction videos of music, and recently somebody asked me to do a reaction video of an Italian singer named Diodato with the song Fai Rumore, and I found that this would be the chosen song to represent Italy in Eurovision 2020 during the pandemics. The show was cancelled for disgrace of many people, and I really saw many reactors crying that year, which I thought it was a bit lame, but I can't blame them. So maybe I cry for another stuff that nobody do, so that's life. And they wanted me to react to a song of him, not Fai Rumore, but a song that he sang in Della Taranta Festival. But I thought, okay, I don't know this singer. I didn't watch the song that he did for Eurovision 2020. He might want Sanremo, like it's usual for Italy. So I prefer to see and react first to Fai Rumore and then to the song that he performed in Della Taranta. It's okay? So, Diodato, show me what you got.
Sai che cosa penso? Che non dovrei pensare.
Official video clip.
Sono un animale. E se ti penso tu sei un'anima. Forse è questo temporale che mi porta da te. E lo so, non dovrei farmi trovare senza un ombrello, anche se ho capito che per quanto io fugga torno sempre a te.
Definitely, I didn't know this singer at all.
Fai rumore qui e non lo so se mi fa bene, se il tuo rumore mi conviene, ma fai rumore.
Whoa.
Che non lo posso sopportare, questo silenzio innaturale tra me e te. E me ne vado in giro senza parlare, senza un posto a cui arrivare. Consumo le mie scarpe, forse le mie scarpe sanno bene dove andare. Che mi ritrovo negli stessi posti, proprio quei posti che dovevo evitare. E faccio finta di non ricordare, e faccio finta di dimenticare. Ma capisco che per quanto io fugga torno sempre a te. Che fai rumore qui.
Beautiful chorus.
E non lo so se mi fa bene, se il tuo rumore mi conviene.
Simple video clip, but quite effective.
Sì, che non lo posso sopportare, questo silenzio innaturale tra me e te.
Yeah. Some light in the room. After darkness always comes light and hope.
Ma fai rumore, sì, che non lo posso sopportare, questo silenzio innaturale, e non ne voglio fare a meno oramai, di quel bellissimo rumore che fa.
sweating already. Hold my hand. Fai Rumore, Diodato. What a beautiful song. What a beautiful voice this guy has. What a beautiful gem I found here. This was really beautiful. This was really intense, really dramatic. And all that stuff that I was talking about during the song about darkness, lightning, was the emotions that I was feeling while hearing this beautiful song, this beautiful sonority. Well, I guess Italy would have a big chance to win this year. In 2020, yeah, they did it in 2021 with Måneskin Zitiboni, which wasn't exactly my cup of tea, but this is definitely my cup of tea. Who told you that I'm a ballad lover? I am a ballad lover, okay? This was right on target. This was beautiful. I really loved this song. And I was really happy to find this, and it was a pleasure for me to react to this song from the bottom of my heart. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to know your opinion about this song, about this singer. Would it be a good choice for Italy in Eurovision 2020 if it wasn't COVID-19? Who knows? We'll never know, unfortunately. So write in the comments below. Don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel before you leave. Always feel free to come back, and if you want me to react to any other song of Eurovision any year, or a former Eurovision singer with a cool song that you really love, write in the comments below, suggest, and probably I can do that. So thank you so much for being there, and I hope to see you, you over there on my next video. So take care then. Bye bye.